In this video, I want to share with you some low competition gardening niches and some free prompts to go with those niches. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now before I share with you those low competition gardening niches, just want to do a quick sales update. So it is Friday, June 7th, 4:58 p.m. and sitting at 32 sales, $50 in royalties. That is going to put me at 372 sales for the month and $513 in royalties for this month. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, family pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years now. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So we're basically in summer now, and one of the best niches, or a really good niche for summer, is going to be the gardening niche. Any niche that kind of gets people outside is going to do well. That's why I've been doing a lot of these summer niches like camping, glamping, lake, what else I do, barbecue. And so gardening is just another one of those niches. I'm probably gonna do like a beach one as well. And so I want to share with you some of these niches, these phrases that are low in competition, and some prompts to go along with it. Now, if you want the free prompts, I'll have a link in the description. You just click on it. This is it right here. You get 3 free gardening prompts. All you have to do is just put the number 0 right here. You can make a donation, but not necessary at all. You can just get it for free. And then if you like those 3 free gardening prompts and you want more, you can get 27 more for only... Oh, I'm charging $30. That's not the price. It should be only $3, so I'm going to have to go ahead and edit that once I'm done recording this video. But you can get 27 more prompts for only $3. I charge 10 cents a prompt, so that's what the price should be. But now let's go ahead and get into those niches. So the first low competition gardening niche to have, it's a good one because it kind of goes with Father's Day. It's Dads Mow Best. When we go to Amazon, we're going to see there's only 761 results. And since I always get this comment on pretty much all my videos, I'll just address it real quick right now. If we go to Amazon and we type in the all category and type in Father's Mows Best t-shirt, we're going to see there's 3,000 results. So why is there so many results here and there's only 761 results here? So these results right here are Merch by Amazon shirts. Merch by Amazon shirts come with prime benefits. So you have free shipping, overnight shipping. These results right here are clothing products on Amazon. So you're going to have Merch by Amazon, but you're also going to have Fulfillment by Merch, which is like Printful, Printify, and then you're going to have FBA, which is basically t-shirts that are already printed in the warehouse and just get shipped out. So that's why there's more results here, because these are Amazon clothing products, and these results are just Merch by Amazon t-shirts or results. And here what some of the designs look like. You see they got good BSR. I think they got rid of the Climate Pledge Friendly category. I haven't seen it around anymore. Maybe someone knows, but we can see some pretty good BSRs. And this is a good one because it's like a play on words. Instead of Father Knows Best, it's Father Mows Best. And since Dad liked to mow the lawn, it's goes with gardening. We got Father's Day coming up. Now, one way that you can kind of niche down for this phrase, and I talked about this in one of my gold members only videos, is you can focus on certain types of dads. So maybe you can do like stepfathers mow best. That's going to lower the competition. You can also focus on certain type of nationality. So like Italian father mows best, or like Filipino father mows best. So there's just a couple little clever ways to niche down in the Father's Day niche, is by focusing on like bonus dad, stepdad, and like nationalities, whether it's like Brazilian, Filipino, Chinese. There's so many. But that is the first one that I have. And then let me go ahead and show you the prompt that comes with it. This is the first prompt in the Word file. This one right here, 3 free gardening prompts, and this is how the design came out. Father Mows Best. Looks like everything is spelled correctly. Looks pretty good. Let's take a look at some of the other ones. Well, that one's kind of weird. This one, don't really like the sunset in the back in the font. That one, I don't really know about that one, but I think this one looks good. And then what I like to do when I find one that I like, I'll just go ahead and remix that and just get more, or 3 other variations or 4 more variations of the one that I like. Oh, I got a sale. Let's see, was it a big one? Oh yeah, 341. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's cool. Sales are coming in. Yeah, so this is the first niche and the first prompt that I have for you for gardening. And like I said, it's a good one because it's kind of like for Father's Day as well, which is just right around the corner. And then the next gardening niche that I have for you for this summer is going to be this funny phrase right here. I just wet my plants. So again, it's another play on words. I think these play on words, these play on word designs tend to do just very well because I think they're mainly for like gifts. People are buying these for, their dad, their family, friends, people like that. And so when they get the gift, it's just like it's something that they're into, gardening, and then they read the phrase, I just wet my plants. It gets a good laugh. That's why I think these play on word designs do so well. But we see only 249 results for Merch by Amazon shirts. And here are what some of the designs look like. This one actually has a little bit higher of a BSR. That's probably because the other one was getting more sales because of Father's Day. But we see that it's still selling, low in competition. Again, funny play on words, pretty simple to design for. I went ahead and made a design on Ideogram with this prompt right here. And all these prompts are magical prompts, or magic prompts, I mean. So you see the very, whoops. I was doing a watermelon design. So this is, you can see it's a very detailed descriptive prompt. They use a lot of these words like whimsical, vibrant, cartoon, illustration, and it's just very descriptive. So that's why I like using these magic prompts on Ideogram. I also like to click on illustration, and sometimes I will also click on vibrant as well. That helps. But I think this turned out pretty nice. I just wet my plants. Let's take a look at some of the other ones. You see this is one that I found that I liked, and I just remix it so I can get kind of more options. Oh, another sale. 180 or 180. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is the second one that I have for you. It is I just wet my plants, and I think it's a pretty good one as well. Really funny. And then the next gardening niche is again another play on words. It's I love gardening from my head tomatoes, which is basically saying I love gardening from my head to my toes. So that's an expression that we use here in America. Well, actually, I'm not in America, but that's what an expression that Americans use. Only 335 results. You see it's pretty simple. It's just text on the top, some type of clip art of gardening or tomatoes in the middle, and then text on the bottom. You see that it's selling, has BSRs. Let's see if we can find a good one here. Well, they're all pretty much in the millions, 2 million right here. And here is the design that I made on Ideogram. This was actually one of my favorites. That's why I put it as the thumbnail. I thought this just turned out really good. So right here we're going to see what the prompt looks like. Again, a whimsical cartoon illustration on a black background featuring 2 ripe tomatoes. I got illustration and vibrant in there, but this turned out really good. Here what some of the other ones look like. I think these ones could work as well. So this is a really good prompt right here. Well, maybe not that one so much, but this is the one that I liked. So that is the third gardening niche that I have for you and the prompt. Now let me go ahead and show you all the designs from all the other 27 remaining prompts because they're pretty good. Okay, so I'm here on my profile page on Ideogram on the like section, and let me go ahead and show you some of these other prompts and also the niches, because maybe you're not into the prompts, but you can just get a bunch of niches. So there's going to be 27 niches for you if you're more into that. But right here, let me get my head out the way. So the first one is Plantaholic. That's a pretty funny one. Dads Against Weed. That's funny as well. What happens in the greenhouse stays in the greenhouse. Actually, that H is messed up, so I have to fix that. The grass is calling and I must mow. This is my lawn mowing shirt. Garden Gangster. Law enforcement officer. We ride at dawn. Yes, I do have a retirement plan. I'll be gardening. Garden Life, I like this one a lot. This one came out really nice. Everything inside the heart. Gardening is my therapy. This is another one that I also like. I think I use this for the thumbnail for the YouTube video. I came, I mowed, I kicked grass. That's really funny. Sorry, I can't. Actually, I think I messed that one up. Sorry, I can't. Sorry, I can't. I need to maybe redo this one. But which one was this? Maybe I got the text wrong. Sorry, I can't. I have plans with my cats. Okay, so I'm going to have to go ahead and fix that one, but let's go back and take a look at the rest. Not a hugger. That's really funny. Just one more plant. Just one more plant, I promise. Not your average gardener. Life is a garden. Dig it. What the... I can't even say it. Functionate. Plant whisperer. Sorry, I can't. I have to mow the lawn. Easily distracted by dogs and plants. Crazy plant lady. Oh, and I went ahead and before I do these, I always check to see if these are trademarked, these phrases, these niches are trademarked or not, but never take my word for it. Remember, I'm just some random guy on the internet. You never want to trust anybody with your Merch by Amazon account, so just always do your research. But we got What Up Sucker, which is funny. Botany plants lately. You see how like all these are pretty much like play on words. If you can get good at that, that's really going to help. Just a girl who loves plants. We know that this is a very popular design phrase that has sold very well over the years. This was probably my second favorite one right here. You're never too old to play in the dirt. My retirement office. We saw this one. I love gardening from my head to my tomatoes. I just wet my plants. And Father mows best. So these are what all the designs look like from the Word file of 30 prompts. If you're interested, you can get 3 for free, or you can get 30. I'm going to change the price here. It should only be $3. All right. So that is going to be the niches that I have for you. Now I want to share with you some resources that can help you get sales like this on a daily basis. So I am now offering memberships on my YouTube channel. So if you just click on this join button right here, it will take you to this pop-up. You can watch the video. But basically what I say in the video is that I have 3 tiers, bronze, silver, and gold. Now bronze, if you just want to support the channel, you'll get loyalty badges and priority reply to comments. But the most value is going to be in the silver and the gold tier. So the silver is going to get you 4 videos a month or 1 video a week. Each video comes out on Monday morning at 6 a.m. Central Time. And those videos are going to have 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches with prompts. And you're also going to get a daily market update. So if we go to my YouTube channel right here, you just click on community or community. Sometimes it's a membership. They're kind of like the same. I probably shouldn't have clicked on that. But if you go to the community page right here, we're going to see that I do these daily market updates talking about like trending niches. So there was one the other day that was a good one. So like right here, I talk about this trending niche, but first summer, I talk about why it is trending. I show examples of designs that are selling. I give you a prompt for it. I give you a link to my Creative Fabrica shop where you can get a design for it. And I even give you a title, bullet points, brand, and bullet 2. So basically with the silver, you're going to get members only videos, and you're going to get a lot of information about evergreen niches and trending niches. But if you go with the gold, you're going to get everything in the silver, but then you're also going to get all of my prompts. So lately I've been putting out a lot of prompts, so you're going to get all those for free. And then at the beginning of, on the 1st of each month, you're going to get a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending the following month. So today is June 7th. So if you become a gold member today, on July 1st, you would get a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in August. That will give you a month of time to basically prepare. So you're just going to get a lot of value basically. And the silver, it's only $7. The gold is only $10. Silver, like I said, is more for like niches. Gold is more for like prompts. And if this join button is not available in your country, then you can just come to the description right here. See if I can find it. And this, what is it, the 3rd link right here? I have the exact same thing for the exact same price on Patreon. All right, so it's the same price, and you get the same thing basically for the same price just on Patreon. Some people were telling me that the join button was not available in their country, so that's why I set up this Patreon page. And then if you want to get some of my freebies, well, first let me share with you this. I have a merch course for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, you're like stuck in tier 10, making less than $100 a month, I would highly recommend you take a look at my Merch by Amazon beginners course. It's only $19. It's on Gumroad. I'm going to teach you everything that I've learned over the 7 years that I've been on Merch by Amazon. I am by far not the best Merch by Amazon seller. You know, only tier 10,000, but you see I do pretty good. Last month I did $2,800, almost 3,000. You can see yesterday I had a pretty good day, 81, and it was like 56, 60, 60, 110. I think that's my best day this month. 88. So you can see I do pretty good. So if you're interested, the link for the course is in the description. And then if you want freebies, you can just click on my name right here, and I have a bunch of courses for Etsy and Redbubble, but the freebies are with the prompts. So 10 free ideogram prompts, 50 free prompts for trending June niches, 7 free prompts, 100 prompts. So you can just scroll through here, check out the free prompts. I also have paid prompts as well for July 4th, and you can see they're pretty cheap, $2.50, $1. This one right here, $9.99. So if you want, you can go ahead, cruise around, get some freebies. And then if you just want the free content, you can just sign up to or subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put out videos on a regular basis talking about like trending niches, evergreen niches, AI prompts, anything to do with POD, Redbubble, Etsy, things like that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and shut up now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you got some value out of it, make sure to like the video. And that's going to be it. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.